This story was written by Miss Croto's class, and it's called The Baby Band. There once was a baby named Tom. They had baby friends like Tanya and Bob. Tom didn't need their mom because Tom had a pretty great job in the milk factory. In the milk factory. The babies wanted to be musicians, so they made a band to sing and to dance. Baby band had a mission. They found a club to give them a chance. The official milk club. The official milk club. Tom and friends, the baby band. They want to be the best in the land. Sing and dance and clap your hands. It's Tom and the baby band. Tom and the baby band. Wow, Coo Coo Cooke is performing at the official milk club next week. Coo Coo Cooke? He's so kooky. He's also the greatest musician ever. Do you think he'd let us perform with him? When he sees that we're following our dreams, I'm sure he will. Baby band wanted to perform with Coo Coo Cooke, greatest musician ever. Mr. Cooke was not nice and warm. He said, perform with me, never. And he stole the instruments. And he stole the instruments. Oh no, our instruments are gone? How can we perform with Coo Coo Cooke now? Whoa! Whoa! Why are you crying? Tom, we're babies. Oh yeah, but that's no reason to cry. We have to find our instruments. Baby band looked high and low until they found a note on the floor. Mr. Cooke had ruined their show. He hid the instruments behind a door. Baby band was furious. Baby band was furious. Tom and friends, the baby band. They want to be the best in the land. Sing and dance and clap your hands. It's Tom and the baby band. Tom and the baby band. Coo Coo Cooke, you shouldn't make other people look bad. Coo Coo Cooke, everyone deserves a chance to play. Coo Coo Cooke, we worked hard to get the chance we had. Coo Coo Cooke, let's work together. And Mr. Cooke said, okay. Thanks to Tom and friends, the baby band. Every musician is the best in the land. We work together to take a stand with Tom and the baby band. The baby band built a music store. The crybaby crib opened its doors. Music is for everyone forevermore. Instruments everyone can afford. Tom and friends, the baby band. They want to be the best in the land. Sing and dance and clap your hands. It's Tom and the baby band. Tom and the baby band. Tom and the baby band. The end.